Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Epic Games Store region. First, open your preferred web browser and log in to your Epic Games account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You'll find this by clicking on your profile icon, usually in the top right corner. From there, look for the Personal Details section, where you can view your current country or region setting. Now, for a direct region change, it's crucial to know that this option is typically available only if you haven't made any purchases on your account. Please note that even claiming free games counts as a purchase. If you have made purchases, the country cannot be changed through settings alone. In such cases, you will need to reach out to Epic Games customer support for further guidance. Before proceeding, ensure your Epic account balance is less than $10 or its equivalent in your local currency. Any Epic rewards you have accumulated will not transfer and will be forfeited, so be sure to use them up beforehand. It's also important to remember that you can only update your country on your Epic account once every 6 months, so choose wisely. When changing your region, you must disable any active VPN or hosting services. While a VPN can be useful to simulate a new location for accessing content or initial setup, it needs to be off during the actual change process. For more complex situations, like changing to or from South Korea, or if you encounter any issues, contacting Epic Games support directly is the best course of action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.